first time riding my MT07 after I messed up the first time putting in the wrong gasoline. I got the bike back from the dealer and we are going to go and put gasoline again, round 2. And this time I'm going to make sure I put the right one in. I'm going to double check. So you're going to be my witness with me on here. For those of you guys who are watching, welcome to KAAPUT's motor vlog. Just got to get used to the clutch. Well, today I'm going to do a little practice about that. You guys are going to be with me on today's ride. That should be better, I think. I just started to move my mic over because you can hear me breathing extremely heavily every time. The gasoline station again. Round 2, putting in gasoline. night riding. Alright, I got my Icon Armada air foam, sorry. Icon air foam. My drop down visors I changed from the black one to magenta one so I can see better at night. A lot of air coming in, so you see a little bit. The yellow one makes it a little bit better. I hope. I'm not sure, man. The light is too high. Now I'm in third gear. I was in second gear the whole time just now. Wow. Wow, power in this, my God. Wow, this bike is it's really great. I mean, I rode it for a day now. Well, I don't know, I can say for a few hours I've been riding this bike now after I got it from the shop, and I have to say, serious fact, it's much more powerful than my my Ninja 400R. Seriously, it has so much power, and I think this is just enough for city riding basically in this area. I mean, Nagoya in Japan. This area, I think 900 would be 700 or 900 would be the best. Anything more, you won't run your bike really well. I mean, these things are fantastic, and I haven't taken it out to outside of Nagoya yet, but I plan to. But it's still my first day on this bike, so I have to really get into this bike first, so it's going to take a while before I start doing anything stupid. I'm still getting used to starting the bike. I mean, getting the bike in gear. Man, it's so easy to move. But the rear view mirrors suck really bad. I have to change it. It's so tiny. These are like scooter mirrors, and I can't see anything. Seriously. I'm gonna order some new ones, and this bike does not have any engine sliders, so I'm gonna get a set of those too. And that should be it for now. I got engine for the radiator cover is coming in soon. Yeah. Wow. Did you see that? Wow. Unbelievable. This is so good. The power. Wow. Wow, this is really good. Seriously, it's so much more different. And I love this Icon helmet, people. Even with my tinted visor down, I still can see in the dark. Well, I'm night riding right now. It's like clear as in the day. Well, not like in the day. I can't see the sky though.